in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to connect your Bluetooth microphone to your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select Bluetooth and devices on the left panel, and then on the right side, select where it says add device near the top. Select Bluetooth, and then make sure your microphone is powered up as well as connected to your Wi-Fi settings, and then it should populate here. You would select it and then just follow through with the on-screen guide. It's a pretty self-explanatory process from here, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.